sa crypto space because it's so new. I just look at which ones it can disrupt, which ones it can innovate. Pero above and beyond that, underlying concept also of cryptos and tokens is pwede kang gumawa ng X number of tokens, pwede kang gumawa ng X number of coins, which since it's all programs and numbers, possible talaga siya. More coins and tokens that are available, it limits the value. Volume in cryptos is amazing. And as you all know, volume is everything. Hey guys, so in this video, I want to share how I analyze stocks. But not just that, I also want to share how I analyze my cryptocurrencies and so that you see the difference in terms of how you approach it as an investor. Then later on also, I'll share, as you all know, technical analysis you can superimpose for both stocks and for both cryptocurrencies. But there are also some differences on how you go about that particular investment. So that's the goal now, and that's why I've been giving you a lot of videos, not just in the stock market anymore, but also for cryptocurrencies, so that you become well equipped on how you invest and how you get to decide on how you're supposed to go about your investment. So let me differentiate between how I analyze stocks and how I analyze cryptocurrencies. The stock market, equities, companies have been existing for a very, very long time. Meaning there are a lot of defined protocols already on how you can analyze stocks. The way I would look at it would always be, what will be the future growth of the company if I buy them today? Please remember, every time you buy a stock, hindi ka na makikinabang sa kung ano yung kinita niya in the past. Hindi ka na makikinabang for what it is today, but you will only benefit from what it will be in the future. Pwedeng madami pa siyang hindi nabubuksan na stores. Just the promise and the hope that in the next 3 years, 5 years, they will open 100 times more stores than what they have now is what's causing people to buy. Above and beyond yung potential growth, I want to see and I ask, sino ba yung kalaban ng company na to? Is it possible na matalo siya later on? So think about it. Yung competitors ba ng Coke can actually beat Coke? Parang may nag-alok sa inyo na negosyo. For example, yung kaibigan nyo, oy, tara, magtatayo ako ng milk tea na business. 100,000 pesos or sabihin natin 500,000 pesos. Tapos ito yung potential natin sa kumpanya. That's the same way also you start to come in the stocks that you want to buy. Titingnan mo gaano ba kagaling yung founder, gaano ba kagaling yung CEO, gaano ba kagaling yung management team, gaano kagaling ba yung mga tao that kung ano yung pinangako nila, ano yung plans nila magagawa ba nila, meron ba silang track record. I would also want to look at yung growth trajectory, meaning yung kita ba nila nag-grow every year o baka nagsa-stagnate na sila, nasa industriya ba sila na sobrang daming kalaban, it's saturated already or it's dying already or it's maturing already. I don't want to be there. That's why if you've been noticing it, I've been spending a lot of time in fintech, EVs, in renewable, in artificial intelligence because I know those industries are just starting. Aside from its earnings, then titignan ko rin gano'ng kadaming cash niya because importante yung cash sa negosyo eh. Kung wala kang cash, you're not going to be flexible, you're not going to be liquid. How can you take care of your short-term obligations? So that's very, very important to me. How much of a buffer meron sila? Then titignan ko rin gaano kalaki yung utang na meron sila. Kaya ba nila isettle lahat ng obligations sila, lahat ng mga utang nila? Do they have the ability to do that? That's when I start to look at dividends. Titignan ko, meron ba akong makukuha dividendo dito? Does it have a very, very good track record na, okay, naglagay ako ng pera, pero mababalik ba nila yung pera ko? Not just in terms of capital appreciation, pero mababalik ba nila yung pera ko? Dahil kumikita talaga yung negosyo, tapos part of that earnings, meron ba talagang babalik sa akin? Yung difference sa Bitcoin is that it's so new, we are writing the pages of it as we're going along. Mahirap maghanap ng track record na katulad na nakikita natin sa stock market. Mahirap mag-value nun sa ngayon because it's so early to everyone watching this. If hindi nyo naiintindihan yung Bitcoin, hindi nyo naiintindihan yung cryptocurrencies, in my opinion, we are at the point where lumabas yung Friendster, lumabas yung MySpace. Comment below kung alam mo ba yung Friendster, MySpace, tsaka Multiply. Lumabas yung Friendster, MySpace, and Multiply nung early 2000s and no one knew what it was. As people started to use it more, na nakita nila, oo nga no, it has made life more convenient for me. And that will be my style in determining which cryptocurrencies I want to invest in for the long term. For those who are watching this, naka-age ko, for sure naabutan nyo yung calling cards. 2021, no one is holding a physical calling card anymore. Why? You can scan your friend, your colleague, your partner, your client's QR code and get all of the contacts there. And everyone stores name, address, mobile of that person that they want to contact over their phone. Dati, minimemorize namin yung mga number. Dati, ang daming calling card book. So, isipin nyo, lahat na manufacturer nun, lahat ng gumagawa ng calling card na lalagyan, they're all displaced. Ano yung mga apps that can be built on top of the blockchain using either cryptocurrencies or tokens that will disrupt things? A lot of the tokens that are highly involved into smart contracts, a lot of the tokens that are highly involved into NFTs, we get to track kung saan talaga nanggaling yung binili mong pagkain. Kape na binili mo galing sa highlands of this particular place, you have to trust the seller. Dati, kung saan siya galing, nandun talaga siya galing, na hindi ka nila dinadaya in the process. But because of blockchain, we now have technology that can track from farm to table and everything else in between, lahat na nangyayari. So, that's what you look at. It doesn't mean also na yung mga cryptos na wala masyadong utility, it won't go up. Kaya nga umakit yung Doge ngayon and it has gone up massively because of supply and demand. But if you are a person that just wants to position for the future, then tingnan nyo which are the tokens, the coins that has utility that will disrupt things. Sa crypto space, because it's so new, I just look at which ones it can disrupt, which ones it can innovate. Pero above and beyond that, underlying concept also of cryptos and tokens is pwede kang gumawa ng X number of tokens, pwede kang gumawa ng X number of coins, which since it's all programs and numbers, possible talaga siya. I like the ones that are scarce. I like the ones that are not unlimited because as they are scarce and limited, supply and demand play yun eh. More coins and tokens that are available, it limits the value of whatever you're purchasing. And as they start burning their coins, it limits the supply. And as it limits the supply, the value becomes higher. Kasi think about it this way. Kung meron 200 million coins and then $1 each, nawala yung kalahati, suddenly, coin na yun doubles because it's now worth more because mas limited siya. Particularly for Ethereum because yung supply ng Ethereum is unlimited. And that's why people like Bitcoin largely because it's very, very scarce. I look at the crypto projects. I look at how they're innovating. I look at the token supply. I look at, may mga kalaban siya eh, na halos pareho lang din yung ginagawa niya eh. Like you have Uniswap, you have PancakeSwap, then you have Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, which are almost the same thing. They tried to do Litecoin, which is a faster application of Bitcoin. Up until now, it's still Bitcoin that's the more prevalent version of that particular configuration. Dun sa mga magkakalaban, sino sa tingin nyo yung mananalo or has a bigger chance to win? Everything works. Whatever you're using in the stock market will work when you start using them in the cryptocurrency space. What I like though, particularly comparing cryptos versus Philippine stocks, volume in cryptos is amazing. And as you all know, volume is everything. The ability for it na pag nag-breakout talaga siya eh. The ability for it na pag uptrend talaga, legit yung mga breakouts, legit yung mga bounces from support eh. The numbers there, I don't know, because it's accompanied by a large amount of people transacting. And that's why it becomes legit in its movements up. And that's what I've seen that has been so nice. Kasi for those who are new, I've been investing in the Philippine markets for over a decade. Ang dami mga false breakouts sa Philippines, super. Sometimes, mas nagkaka-error sa technicals because of lesser volume. Since it's so volatile, since it's 24/7, you have to go and cycle through the different times. Sa Philippines, okay na ako, one day candlestick, masaya na ako dun eh. But when I started doing more crypto, ano yan, 1 day, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, I would cycle through that and also see support and resistance levels from that. So there, if you guys are new to this and want to learn more about technical analysis, we are doing technicals via Zoom. It will be a classroom session this May. I'll put the link in the description below. And then for those who want to know more about me, my name is Marvin Gurmo. I'm a stock market trader and investor. And I've done over 2,000 plus videos already in YouTube talking about the basics of investing and strategies, principles that is aimed to help you to reach your goals of financial freedom. So we have hundreds of playlists in the description that you can watch all for free. For those who want to learn via the books that I've created, a lot of them also are available via Shopee and Lazada. You can just get them down below. And by the way, I forgot to mention this. Kung meron nagko-comment na kapareho kong picture, kapareho kong pangalan, tapos naglalagay ng WhatsApp number, hindi ako yun. I will never send WhatsApp numbers in the comment section. That's a scammer pretending to be me. Sasabihin niya, okay, padalan mo ako ng Bitcoin sa WhatsApp number na hindi ako yun. Please remember that. I will never post a WhatsApp number in the comment section. Wala akong lalagay na, go for this financial analyst. Wala na akong ginagawang ganun. One way to verify if it's me, if meron gray check beside it, and na-click nyo na account, walang video, then yun yung scammer account. Those asking about how you can invest in crypto and US market, we have brokers below, particularly Binance and also eToro na pwede nyo gamitin and pwede nyo simulan. Tapos meron pa silang virtual accounts where you can practice and you can learn the rudiments of investing. I don't know if I'll make a video tomorrow because it's my wife's our wedding anniversary, but of course we're locked down, we can't really go out. If I can squeeze some time to make a video tonight, then we have a video tomorrow. Pasensya na kung wala tayong video for tomorrow. While the crypto market also is correcting a bit, that's where your conviction and that's where gaano kalaki yung alam nyo dun sa pinapasukan nyo will play a very, very big role because sobrang dali ma-shake down. Sobrang dali mag-panic if you have not studied what you're getting into. Ganun din sa stock market. Philippine markets man yan or US markets man yan. Always spend a lot of time to learn. So that's it for now. Marvin Gurmo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon and God bless you all.